So to open up, you can see we have around here all the mounts or things you can use, like these things. I don't know what they're really called, but I know how to use them. My favourite thing, the jaw thing. I hope I don't break it before I use it. I've got so many of these selfie sticks, and to get rid of one, giving it to someone else. Bike holder. I need this for my next upcoming video. I'll just write to Chepstow. We've got a chest mount, which can be moved around by clicking. You see me in a little bit like this. So there's a button just there. Click on that, and that will make it so you can twist it around just like this. To lock it again, there should be another button on the side, like around there. So it's just there, obviously. I'll show you. Unlock it. It's just a lock. It looks like a look. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna unlock it. So we're gonna unlock it using that, and lock it using that. That's pretty cool. Another original chest mount. No, not chest mount. Head strap. It's on your head. Now most of the stuff in here, actually, I think I've taken it out a bit of it. So I think I got a bit more than this. You've got one of these. So this is what I'm using to film with the iPhone, to film the thing you're watching now. I'm using an iPhone with one of these. It's a teeny bit bigger. Well, actually quite a little bit bigger actually. So very useful. In that bit here we have the cables. That's the Hero 2. Not quite need. Like this one for the Hero 4 to connect. We've got another one, but it's just in white. The Hero 4. Shut that away. It'll look in a minute. Here we have a bag of these screws. This is what I changed around. I put all my screws into this one little bag, like this. The bigger bag has all the attachments in it. So like these ones, one of those ones. Attachments, maybe an extender. Then lift it away. Here we have these sticky pads. Give me 1 second. Here we are. This can be used to stick to stuff. Now, the reason there's been no behind the scenes videos about what you call it, the chapter about the chapters, there's no behind the scenes videos. That is because I haven't been able to do them. I haven't had this, and I need this, so we'll be doing a behind the scenes video. Maybe not actually, might just do one now. I think I might not do it, yeah. There might not be any behind the scenes, to be honest. This might be the behind the scenes video. Behind the scenes, look at this now. So yeah, you need to get a GoPro with this. I have to take it out because I have to put a SIM card in there and charge it up for any of these videos when they're coming up. So yeah. Thank you to my Uncle Nick who gave me this GoPro set. Very kind of you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.